minimalistic approach was the key to designing this large residence in the lush Juhu suburb of Mumbai in order to create the perfect balance of modern, comfort, and elegance. Designed as a getaway home for a Gujarat-based family, the home is permanently inhabited by the client's son. The house opens into a spacious living room that seamlessly transitions into the dining area. The combination of distinct elements and furniture that is crafted in metal, marble, and wood create an intricate interplay of textures. Adopting a nature-inspired design approach, the design has been defined by incorporating shades of blue and green. Accent furniture pieces add to the overall drama and vibe of the space. With the intention of allowing an influx of natural light, large casement windows have been installed throughout the house. The focal point of the dining table is undoubtedly the ornate chandelier that imparts a harmonious sense by adding character to the open space. The expansive master suite that radiates understated luxury, modernity, and comfort with its plush grey interiors resonates with the young client, crafting a more casual and relaxed environment. The design has been tailored to suit the client's desired contemporary style while adhering to a concise brief, a pleasant and modish place fit for a bachelor. The parents' bedroom and the guest bedroom also seamlessly tie in with the rest of the space. While the comprehensive spatial volumes and the aesthetic value of the space make for a strong visual impact, the Jardin Home is perceived as welcoming through its authenticity and functionality of design. The home doubles up as a warm retreat for the entire family as and when they visit. In a nutshell, the Jardin Home stays true to its name, French for garden, and allows members of the house to experience a cohesive, dynamic, and regal space that deepens their connection with nature,